So I got a call where I parked my truck. They said, you might want to come move your truck. Floodwater's coming up. And I just circled around all of Ringgold trying to find a way in to pick up my truck. So I'm coming back around this other way, and it says road closed, and we're about to go through the water. But yeah, I think I can go through this side. They said I could go through this side. The guys with the service trucks are going through this side. So they said the guys, one guy just came through in his dually. He's a shop mechanic. He said it's got about halfway up to his hubcap. So we're in no Silverado, and I think we'll be all right. But the other side, the other roads coming in, they look like they're, there's a cop, I can put this down. The other side looks like, looks to be about 4 or 5 foot deep. I wonder if this cop is going to come blue light me, but I got to go. He's coming behind me, so let's see what he does. Let's see. Here we go. It ain't that deep. That ain't that deep, but we get onto the other side over here. Let's see that way. I could have came that way. That's that deep, real deep. Yeah, that's a little too deep for me. So, yeah, this is where I parked my truck. There's a driving range. Woo. Wrong side, there we go. I might have to get my drone out. I think I will. Oh. I've never seen this flood. Bunch of storage pods. Whew. Hope they're waterproof. I think it'll be all right, but I'm still going to move my truck. Just for safe measure. I'm gonna move it. Yep. Not too bad. MakeCents is how you trash your drone. Seem to do that a lot. Well, let's just hope. I'm gonna take it home, put it in a bag of rice and let it sit for a day or two. And but first thing I did as soon as it done that was luckily it was right there within reach, so I jerked it out of the water, jerked the battery out of it, and so good thing is, you know, like syrupy stuff like Coke, you spill that stuff on it, all that sugar and stuff dries. But just water, y'all say a little prayer for me. Y'all say a little prayer for me, because let's just hope she works. I'm gonna go over and show you this right. See this? Look over here. Now that's deep over there. I wouldn't want to go over that way. No, 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 no. Yeah, that right there would swallow the old truck. Maybe not. It's probably just about, if I had to guesstimate, I'd say it's 5 or so foot deep. And I gotta be careful coming out of here. There's a cop from where they turn the road, shut the road off. So anyway, I'll see if I can't get you some low-key footage here. Georgia is a no-hands state, so even if I get caught with it in my hands, ticket. So let's see what we can do here. I just hold it out the window and catch the water as we're going by. Oh wow, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm nervous my drone's not going to work, which I've got another drone to back it up, but if I do that, that makes it where I can't give Driven his drone. Oh look, the water's already went down. No water, no water. All right guys, I'll catch you in that next video. See you, bye.